All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, GPU mining, Dogecoin, Ethereum. Today, we're going to be talking about a new coin, a coin we've never talked about, Cosmos. It's actually ranked in the top 20 right now. We always go through the top 10, and then we go through the top 20. Now, Shiba Inu and AMC has been right around 59 and 60, and Shiba's been around the 40s. This coin, Cosmos, is number 19 right now. A lot of things going on. We're going to update you on it, give you where it's at, where it's been, how's it going. Do me a favor, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. My vision is one day every single person on this planet has cryptocurrency. Cosmos could be that cryptocurrency that they're actually going to have. Now with this, we're going to be talking about Cosmos in general for this video, but we're also going to throw a little Shiba Inu in there too. So with that, let's go ahead and jump over to Cosmos. So again, first time ever talked about on the channel, Cosmos right here. It's trading at $40.16. Got a really neat logo there. So we're going to go through a couple things. The circulation is 221.9 atoms, ATOM. Typical hold time is about 34 days. So a couple things, since this is the first time we're ever talking about this token, we're going to actually go over it. Cosmos. Cosmos ATOM, Atom, is a cryptocurrency that powers the ecosystem of blockchain designed to scale and interoperate with each other. The team aims to create an internet of blockchains, a network of blockchains able to communicate with each other in a decentralized way. Cosmos is a proof of stake chain. ATOM holders can stake their tokens in order to maintain the network and receive more atomic and rewards. How it works. The main idea of Cosmos is to allow the faster and cheaper decentralized application. Anything from NFT marketplaces, decentralized exchange. By allowing them to run on their own dedicated blockchain, all this independent blockchain called zones are interconnected by the Inter-Blockchain Communication Protocol, or IBC. Cosmos also provides developers with pre-built models that allow them to quickly create blockchains that are completely customizable with specified use cases. The Cosmos Engineers IBC protocol and software developers kits are designed to enable ease and use between chains while maintaining security, transaction cost speeds developers would expect from other leading block. So again, here we go. This coin is in the top 20, and we're bringing it to you for the first time. We're going to be talking about Cosmos. Let's go back over to the top 10 and 20 and see what it's trading for. Is it up? Is it down? So this is going to be pretty interesting. So we're over here at CoinMarket. And there's Cosmos, ATOM. It's at number 19. Now, we went through the top 20 before, but Cosmos, we just never talked about. This coin is actually trading at $40.05 with all the red. The red that we've been seeing, notice this, 2.92%, it's up in the last 7 days, and it's up almost 1% in the last 24 hours. So Cosmos is at number 19. Let's go ahead and go from 10 through 19 here. Number 10, we got Dogecoin. It's actually down 13% in the last 7 days. Avalanche, for the first time I've ever seen on this, is down 1.66%. Luna, number 12. We're going to be having some videos on Luna coming up, is because, again, they're way deep in the top 20 here. They're up at 5.3% in the last 7 days. Binance USD is right there at about 0.09% up. Uniswap, that has been as high as number 10, is at number 14. It's actually down 20% in the last 7 days. So again, you may want to reposition if you had some Uniswap. The cost average, again, if you bought Uniswap when it was higher and you buy it now, the cost of your average unit is going to be lower. So Uniswap may be a position to look at. Don't forget, all our information is for educational purposes on this channel. Number 15, we got Chainlink, is also down 20%. Could be a position play. ALGO is down 18% at number 16. Litecoin is down 15%. Bitcoin Cash, which is one of my favorites always, is down 18% in the last 7 days. And there's our new coin that we're talking about, Cosmos, ATOM. It's actually trading at $40.17. Going up here to the top, Bitcoin, of course, is number one at 42,600. It's still down 11% in the last 7 days. If you feel Bitcoin's going to get back into 50,000, this could be a good time to be looking at Bitcoin. Ethereum is at 2,900, 2,906, and it's down 15%. The market cap, global market, is at $2 trillion, and it's actually up, everybody, 2.52%. So again, Cosmos, this is going to be one of the coins that we're going to start paying attention to. Shiba Inu, we've been talking about that. One of our visions, again, is everybody having cryptocurrency. Couple things, you can buy the cryptocurrency. You can mine the cryptocurrency with mining rigs, little mini Doge mining rigs or GPU mining. You can mine the rigs. You can stake the coin, stake different coins and make money that way. There's all kinds of different programs. You want to look at staking options, but there's a lot of people that actually do the staking of the coin for 3 months or 6 months. The longer you stake, obviously the higher the percentage they're going to pay you. I was looking at a project with the MX that we were talking about, and we're looking at the staking for 1 year, looking at the staking for 2 years, and looking at it for 6 months. Obviously, the 2-year staking pays us the most for our percentage. The 1-year staking. So don't forget, so you got staking, and then also there's actually people that actually use the BlockFi credit card and they get the rewards back in Bitcoin. So all kinds of ways they actually make money with cryptocurrency through buying it, selling it, mining it, staking it, and also using your credit card. So with that, let's go back and head back over. And then we just talked about this. Keep in mind, you can earn rewards by staking, ATOM, on Coinbase. So again, staking is a big thing that people like to stake their coins to make the interest rate that way. You want to check into that. Over here, Cointelegraph, the future of money. It talks about Cosmos right here, starts the contracts. So we're going to dig into this a little bit. Again, you're taking a look at this picture. Everybody's working on something. Everybody's, moving blocks and stuff like that. This could be like the blockchain. So, with that, all right, so similarly partners with Misted Labs to launch smart contracts. Misted Labs engineers formally created the blockchain network on the Facebook Dean and the crypto project. The co-process protocol of Ethereum, the virtual machine, the EVM, announced a research and develop partnership with Mystic Labs to increase the liquidity, transaction speed, and the launch smart contracts applications on Cosmos blockchain. The founder in 2020, a core value developer of Cosmos protocol, is a test net protocol designed to deliver enterprise-grade automatic financial transactions such as limited orders, batch orders, and portfolio rebalancing to decentralized finance, or DeFi traders and liquidating providers of LPs. The blockchain combines the Tendermint layers. Cosmos strategic dual-way Ethereum bridge will work with Mystic to move smart contract projects to provide the entire ecosystem, the Cosmic developers, as well as on those on the Ethereum Gravel bridge. So it says right here what we're doing with this partnership is completing the work, unleashing Tendermint's potential to be the fastest blockchain network in the data center class of the environment. Says we're excited to partner with the best experts from Facebook, former team leader, cryptography. So yeah, Cosmos, number 19. So we're going to be talking about this. All right, back over here at Robinhood. I just wanted to cover a couple coins here. So Bitcoin is at 42,000. Where was it a month ago? A month ago, it was at 49. It was at 45. It was at 48. It was at 48. So again, if you think Bitcoin is going to go back up to 48 to 50,000, I mean, you may want to reposition. So taking a look at that. Also, want to do the Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is at $513 right now. Where was it 1 month ago? 1 month ago, September 6th. Look at that, September 6th, $700. Okay, and then right here, September 8th, $659. Now this is a pretty solid here, $640, 640. So since it's over $100, it's $513. If you feel that Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash are going to go back up to these levels they were, this could be a good time to be looking at those coins. And then I want to cover the Dogecoin. Doge is at 20 cents right now. Where was it a month ago? Take a look at this, 30 cents, September 2nd, we're still in September, it was 30 cents. September 7th, it went down to 25 cents. So use either of these levels, 25 cents or 30 cents. If you think Dogecoin is going to go back up to 30 cents or back up to 25 cents, this is the dip you were looking for. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only, but we're just looking at charts. And again, when you watch this and you get these tidbits, then you have to go home and you have to apply yourself and look at the charts. So with that, Cosmos is number 19. We're going to be talking about Cosmos, paying attention to that. Shiba Inu is at number 47. Altcoin is right there at 59 and 60. Again, my vision is for every single person on the planet to one day be talking about cryptocurrency and owning cryptocurrency. Don't forget to share this video with all kinds of your friends. Cryptocurrency is not going anywhere. It's going to be here for years and years to come. El Salvador is making Bitcoin legal tender, so different countries are making Bitcoin legal tender. AMC is basically going to be accepting the Bitcoin at the end of the year. Sheetz gas stations, 622 of them in the United States are going to be accepting cryptocurrency using the AMP and the Flexa. All kinds of great things that are going on. So awesome that you're checking in to this channel. We're going to be doing this for years and years to come. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. So with that, click right here to see the most recent video. It is the weekend. Go out and have a great time today, everybody. It's Saturday. Enjoy yourself. Tomorrow's Sunday. We always launch our videos on Saturdays and Sundays around 3 to 4 o'clock in the afternoon, Monday through Friday, 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. You have an awesome weekend, everybody.